Hey guys, in this setup I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create beautiful portraits with the Neo 3. So we've got our lovely model Pippa here, and we have a 2-light setup, but actually I'm using the Neo 3 as the key light in this setup. The Neo 3 is set to just 45% brightness. I've got an EOS which is set to 34%. I could easily do this with a second Neo 3 instead. And instead of having a big modifier, the beauty of the Neo 3, because it's battery powered, is I've got it handheld here. Sean's holding this up, and we've got just a simple diffusion dome. It spreads the light really nicely on the subject, and because the light's are round, you get this gorgeous round catchlight in the eyes. So more than enough power to create great portraits with just the Neo 3. So Pippa, let's take a couple of shots. So right now you can see I've created this really beautiful soft light on the subject. I've got a nice bit of shadow and contrast down the left-hand side of the face, and I've got that gorgeous catchlight in the eyes. It's that easy.